Hi people, welcome to my channel. I'm Dennis the National. If you like this type of content, please be sure to subscribe for there is more to come. So otherwise guys, as I was walking along Mombasa Road, I noticed something that saddened my heart, something so unfortunate. There's this project that is costing millions of shillings that it's a good project and I have supported it from the start. But right now it's actually turning out to be something that will not work entirely because guys, as you all know, I've always supported the planting of flowers and green plants on the walls and the pillars of the Nairobi Expressway. I've always loved the fact that Nairobi Expressway is going to be green and Nairobi is going to be beautiful as a whole. So, but guys, as I was walking along Mombasa Road, I have noticed that most of these pillars, the flowers and plants that were planted that were initially planted, or those that were planted earlier as the project started, have all dried up and they are being removed and replanted again. Like if you can see guys, most of these plants are actually have been replaced and most of them have dried up. Like for this case of these two pillars guys, you can see the one on the left, it has all dried up and it's, I don't know, it has no sign of growing at all. But the one on the left, you'll realize that there are some other plants that have been replanted. So what the authorities are doing actually, they are doing away with the ones that have dried up and they are all actually planting new plants. So my question actually here guys is, planting new plants going to work, or is the problem with the watering process or the department that had to choose the plants to be planted that did not do its work right? Did they do research and find out that these plants will work in this type of temperature and environment, or they just did it like they always do in Kenya, shoddy work? Then the maintenance becomes a problem because if the ones that are, you can see the ones that are sprouting right now guys, those are the replacements of the ones that dried up, and they are doing this to as many pillars as you can see. As you can see, like this one right here, the parts where the longer plants and flowers are the ones that are that dried up, and the smaller ones that are starting to grow are the new ones. So can this be maintained? Will they continue to do this so that every time they dry up, they remove them and plant other ones? You know, if not for the green background of the plastic they used, I think it would have been a big bad mess. And remember, the Nairobi Expressway is almost complete and it's due to be commissioned soon. So this is painting a really bad picture for those who are responsible for this work. Otherwise guys, I support this planting process and making it look green, but they just have to do it sustainably and a way that it can be maintained. And you know, the thing we have to avoid always in Kenya is wasting of money and millions of money, you know, because we're going to pay for these things when we start using the road, since it's a toll road, you know, and sometimes we deserve better services than what we get in Kenya. Otherwise, guys, like, subscribe. I'm Dennis the National. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. You'll get to see some pillars that all of it dried up and all of it has been removed and it's going to be replanted afresh. And I think this is just a waste of money and taxpayers' money. And some of you may say this is a Chinese project because it's going to be a toll road, but I think for the maintenance of these plants and everything falls under the government. The pillar I was telling you about is this one, guys. As you can see, all of them dried up and they were all removed. So it's going to be replanted afresh. So sometimes I just don't understand how things work in Kenya. You know, right now we are lower middle income country. We have to start doing things efficiently and things that work, you know. Otherwise, guys, thank you for watching this far. Thank you for enjoying my video. I hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.